Hey everybody, it's Sharon from Vivid Days and it is a celebrate good time, come on. Apologies for the singing. Behind the scenes, I have just hit a massive milestone and it is 10:15 on the evening and I've hit 30,000 subscribers. Yay! I just want to say a sincere thank you to all the supporters of my art, all the people that engage with my process, all the people who inspire me, and hopefully I help inspire you. My channel is a slow growing channel, but I value each and every supporter because you're very interactive. It feels like we're an art community and an art family, so I just want to say thank you. So all it is onwards and upwards. I've got to chase the next milestone now, so 40,000. I think that might be a year away, but let's take time to celebrate now. And if you want to see any of the videos of the giveaways, make sure you don't go back and see my back catalogue. So there are a couple of things I'm going to be giving away. So what I want to say is, if you want to take part in the draw for item 1, 2 or 3, please put your full name and which draw you want to be involved in, 1, 2 or 3. If you want to be involved in them all, I'll put your name in each of those hats. But yeah, it's my time to say thank you. So it's big 3-0, so there are 3 giveaways. And because it's the first time I've written 30, I'm going to give away one of each of my first attempts at things. So by no means are these not perfect pieces, but there is a story behind them all and a journey. And you came on that journey with me and you saw them being created. You saw all the blood, sweat and tears and giggles that went on behind them. So without further ado, let me show you the first one. So the first one that will be pulled out of the hat, yes, people that know me know I love oceans. So oceans is the theme, so ocean ahoy. So this was my first ever sunset ocean, where there's the beach on there. So there's a little story behind the blue thing here because he originally came out of the sculpture behind me. So this piece will be the first giveaway. So the first name pulled out of the hat that wants to be in giveaway number 1. Giveaway number 2. Now, boy, what a journey this piece was on. You saw me attempt to create a ocean splash scene, and I think I succeeded, and I think it was just a fun sticky mess, and you got to see the blood, sweat and tears that went into this one to come out with a piece at the end. And when you put this on a windowsill or anywhere where there's direct sunlight, the blue that comes through this and ripples onto your windowsill or the cloth, it's just exquisite. So this will be giveaway number 2. So if you want to be in the draw to win this, make sure you put your full name and put draw number 2. And my third one is the tray. The tray that caused me a lot of stress when my dribbles went from front to back. Now, I have put feet on them and I have started to do the sides. That will be finished by the time the giveaways are ready to send. But this was my first tray. And you know the dramas that went on with the heat wave in the UK. I know. So if you want to be in the draw to win that tray, you would put your full name and draw number 3. So again, just to repeat, you can either enter 1, 2 or 3, or if you want a chance to win them all, you can say all of them. And hopefully there's some little treasures of mine in there that you'll appreciate and you'll want to take part in. So there's not a long-winded video on this. What I would love for you to do is like, share, subscribe if you've not already, and then just put your, getting a little bit hot, it's the celebrations. Oh my gosh, where was I? Like, subscribe, share, and leave me a comment. And that comment is your full name. Do you want to be in draw 1, 2 or 3? Other than that, I just want to say a sincere thank you. Let's keep this short and sweet, Sharon. Let's not digress, but again, that's part of me. If you're new to my channel, don't stress if this is the first time you've seen me. If you want to see these being created, go back and check my back catalogue, but hopefully there'll be work in there that you will enjoy. And if you do want to purchase any of my art, please remember to check out my Etsy store, Redbubble or Facebook. If you want to showcase your art and talk about your journey and your learns with the art community, join my Facebook group. But other than that, just come back and see me regularly, hit that subscribe button and that bell, and you'll get notifications of when I've done another video. And if you've got any suggestions or recommendations of art that you'd like to see me have a go, make sure you pop that in the comments as well, because I love to hear from you. But I do have a big list of things I've got to work through. I went on a shopping spree at Amazon. I've got loads and loads of deals just then. Anyway, I just want to say, Sharon, over and out. Yay! 30,000. Thank you for helping me get there. You will just not know how much this means to me to have achieved this. But anyway, see you on the next video. Much love. Good luck. Oh, and I forgot one thing. Sharon, when is this? When is this going to be over, did you say? Well, I am going to leave this open for a while. So I want to get as many people involved in this. So it will be, I would say that we are going to do this on my birthday. The 17th of September is the cutoff. So should I say the cutoff will be the 16th of September, and I will announce the winners on the 17th. Now you might think this is a long time to wait, but you know what? I want to give as many people out there a chance to see and be aware that this giveaway is happening. And hopefully by you sharing, that's going to support it. So I think I've remembered everything. Anyway,